This is Debbie Stapp from Stapp Toyota, and we are here because we're so excited. We've been in and out of this classroom all year, seeing the amazing things that you're doing with both of your teachers. We see how hard Mr. Garcia has been working for you, and he has been selected as the December Teacher of the Month with Stapp Inspires Award, so we are here to celebrate him.
I remember one class period, he just comes up to me about after trying for a few hours, and he just said, he's like, no, I'm done, I quit. I'm gonna go back to the processes that I'm comfortable with and the ones that I know. It just really bugged me that he quit because he tried something for 5 hours and it didn't work. It just bothered me. And it bothered me because of the kid that he is. I know that he's capable of pushing through and making something happen. So it didn't sit well with me. And I go up to him about 30 minutes later. I said, no, you know what? Get back over here. We're gonna get back in this booth. I'm gonna sit here with you, and we're gonna work until it looks the way that you want it to work. We're gonna get through it. It's gonna suck and it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be difficult, but that's what success is doing the difficult thing until it's not difficult anymore. That's what practice is for, right? Say, you know, what's the most important thing you learn in here? He says, don't quit. And he's one of my best welders now, so that's something that I always take that with me.
So that's amazing.
Yeah. But no, I like the relationships I build with the kids. What I'm able to teach them, I'm able to bring a lot of that college education to them. And the kids that are hungry to learn, I tell them all the time, if you really want to and you're really hungry for it, I'll never say no to you. I'll never not help you. You can walk out of here with a college level welding education. You just got to give effort. So I love the kids. I love the people that I work with. I love my bosses. Again, that 50, 55-minute drive is worth it every day. Coming here and leaving work, I don't mind it. I don't mind it at all. When students have those aha moments, those are my dailies, like when, you know, it's motivational for me. It's nice for me to see that I'm actually helping, that I'm actually doing my job.